Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. Zora right now sitting just under 37 cent. Excuse me. Zora in a great spot, guys. I'm telling you, this is bullish for Zora in my opinion, because guess what? We're still holding above that 3-5 cent level. Still holding above the 3-5 cent level. And there just has to be something, some type of catalyst that could cause a bounce for Zora here. Right now, obviously, that is not guaranteed, right? And in my previous video, I said if you feel like, oh man, like you bought at 5 cent because I've been covering Zora from 5 cent, and you see the price dropping, and you feel like, man, this project may fail, right? You obviously could deleverage yourself from Zora, and deleverage is in like not sell everything, but hedge your bets, right? And maybe de-risk 30%, 40% of what you invested. 50%, just so you don't lose your entire bag, right? Because it was to say Zora doesn't drop to 1 cent from here, right? It could. There's a possibility of that, because this is what the price action so far is looking like. But things change fast in crypto, right? So it could instantly bounce from here. It could instantly pop off from here. There's also that possibility. You know, I know for a fact a lot of weak hands are getting shaken out of Zora. Right now, I know a lot of people that are like, it's pretty much over. I said in a tweet, man, it feels like everyone is hating on Zora and the ecosystem. Like on X, I'm just randomly scrolling my timeline, and I see, boom, this project is better than Zora. This ecosystem is better than Zora. Creator coins to 0. It's just relentless. It's relentless for my bags out here. All I can do is laugh, man, because it's relentless for my bags out here, y'all. But this is a part of what we invested in, man. We knew the risk. We take the risk, and sometimes, as long as we're strategic, a few times it pays off, we'll make up for the times that we lost, right? That's pretty much it, man. And now this is also why you diversify. You never put all your eggs in one basket. Right, so I have exposure to Zora and its ecosystem. I also have other projects that I'm holding as well, right? And that's how you do it, man, right? So I think now's a great time to DCA in Zora, right? If you haven't accumulated what you wanted as yet, just slowly DCA. Don't rush in, right? Maybe you could buy some today, some more like a few days later, a week later, and watch how it goes, man. If you've already got, what I think is a good bag, which is 50,000 to 100,000 Zora tokens, you just hold it, ride it out, see what happens. Or, right, remember, you never lose unless you sell. Or you hedge your bets, man. You de-risk some because you're like, man, I'm not sure. You de-risk something, but you make sure you leave something in, right? Because you never know. Something could change instantly. Catalyst happens. Basis for everyone, man. Basis for everyone, not just AI coins, not just, the virtual ecosystem, not just the Clanker ecosystem, not just projects like DRB that is making a lot of waves. It's for creator coins as well, right? It's for decentralized social media as well. Basis for everyone, right? So, yeah, Zora, still bullish, man. Someone in my comment section, like, are you still bullish with the price action, right? It didn't have any relief with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up. Zora's still underperforming. I'm still bullish, still bullish. So, Zora right now looking okay. I can't say it's looking great. It's looking okay. Didn't fall back to 3-5 cent. I think things could change, man. This could be a massive falling wedge. It could be a massive falling wedge, shaking out everybody. And then, the Zora founders, the, Coinbase, they flip the switch, boom, out of here, right? So, let's see what people on CoinMarketCap are saying. Zora is a dead cat after base app pulling out. Okay, dang. Zora, let's say now somebody's bullish. Come on, Zora, let's move. 20 hours ago, somebody's bullish. Okay, so we got some TA. They think we could make a move back up here. Okay. You got some bullish people. You can feel the buzz around Zora, Launchpad, L2 base, all the buzzwords. But honestly, I don't give IDGAF, right, about the tech. Just ape in and pray it pumps. That is not strategy, man. Just ape in and pray it pumps. That is not strategic, but hey, at this point, if you ape it and pray pumps here, I wouldn't be mad at you to do so. I would not be mad at that. But yeah, guys, as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Never invest money you're willing to lose.